Hello everyone, I am Arul Savior here. In this video I am going to demonstrate how to install Python software and PyCharm IDE for developing Python programming applications. To install Python software, first we have to download the software from python.org. We can go to the python.org website and there is a download link. And you have to click downloads. Go to download. There you can see that download for Windows. So click the download button and you'll be getting where to save the file, and you can select where you want to save the file. So now it's downloaded. The same way you can download the PyCharm IDE for developing for creating a program and executing the Python program in an integrated development environment. So PyCharm is a IDE just like a editor where you can create a Python program and you can execute the program using Python software. So to download PyCharm IDE, you can go to Google and search for PyCharm, and you'll be getting a website called jetbrains.com. So when you go to the website, there is a download option. So in download page, there are two editions. One is professional edition and next is community edition. So here community edition is free and open source, whereas professional edition you need to go for a premium account. So for the Python development alone, community edition is actually enough. So you can download this community edition. Now we have to save the file in a location and it start downloading. So after downloading, so what we have to do is you have to go to the download location. So there is a two software we have downloaded. First one is Python software and next is PyCharm IDE. So now we have to start the installation. First we have to install the Python software. You have to double click the exe file and you will be getting the window like this. So here there is an option called install now. So you can click install now. Now it start installing the necessary files and libraries for the Python software. So now the software is successfully installed. You'll be getting the message setup was successful. So now we can close this. Then we have to install the PyCharm IDE. So open the PyCharm IDE setup file. Now it start the installation process. So you can click next and you can take the default location. The space required is 840 MB. And if you want a shortcut in the desktop, you can select this one and click next. Then you have to go for install. So when you click install button, it start installing the software and the necessary files in the location specified during the configuration. So after the software install, you'll be getting the confirmation message like this. And if you want to run the software, you can run immediately, otherwise you can close this. And when you close this, in desktop you'll be getting the shortcut PyCharm Community Edition. So now let's try how to create a Python simple program and we can test our software using PyCharm IDE. So now the software is getting started. So this is a window, the first welcome window. Here there is an option called create a new project. Select new project, and here you have to give the name of the project, and also you can customize the location where you want to save the project. So there is a button here, you can click here and you can select where you want to create the project. So by here I'm going to use the default directory. So in this directory, C drive uses our user folder. So this is a project name we can modify. For example, I'm going to write as demo project. Then here there is a button create, and when you click create button, it creates the project with the necessary folders and directories. So after creating a project, you will be getting a window like this. This is a default page automatically created. That's called default program main.py. So this we can close. And the left side you can see the project directory. This is a project directory, demo project, and this is a library for the Python interpreter. And in this project folder we have to create the Python programming. Okay, so here by default there is a Python program is created called main.py. So this we can remove it. You can right click and there is a delete button. You can delete the file and we can create from the scratch the new Python programming. So before that, so there are two ways you can create a Python, you can execute Python program. One is you can directly execute the Python statement in a Python interpreter console, or we can create a program and we can execute the whole file also. So if you want work with, or if you want to create a program in a Python console, in the status bar here there is an option called Python console. So you can click here and you'll be getting a Python console, and you can drag this and you can keep it in the right side also. So it will be look like this, and just you can drag it. Okay, so this is a Python shell interpreter. Here we can feed Python programs instructions, and when you press enter it will execute the program and immediately you can see the output. For example, to display a data in a Python, there is a function called print function. You can use a print function to display any data. For example, I want to display a message, welcome to Python. So this is a shell command statement we can give to the Python. We can pass the instructions. So when you press enter, it will execute and you will be getting the output here. The same way, if you want to print the age of a person, you can print like this: age is, then followed by, you can provide comma and you can give the age. So now the age is 20, like this. The same way, if you want display any other data, you can do that in Python console. So this is how we can create a simple Python coding instructions, and we can execute the Python coding instructions using Python console. So this is one way. Another way is we can create a Python file and we can store huge number of statements. If you want to create a big program, so that is that procedure you can use. So for that, what you have to do is you have to go to demo project, and in demo project do right click and there is a new option. In new option you have to select Python file. So here I am going to create an example Python program. So I'm going to give the name of the example Python file and select the Python file. So when I select the Python file, I'll be getting the example.py, that file will be created, and here we can write the Python programming instructions and we can execute the Python programming. So for example, here I want to print hello world, and after printing hello world I want to do some other logic also. For example, the age is. So after that, few more things also I want to do. So here I will write like today is good day. So this is how we can write a Python statements. So here what is the advantage of this creating an example.py program is we can execute multiple lines of statements and we can configure, and anytime we can refer this file and we can modify the content and we can execute. So in order to execute, you have to right click this code and you have to, there is an option called run example. This is a example.py, right? So we have to select run example. So when you give run example, you'll be getting the output in the status bar. So here in the down, you'll be getting the output. See, the output is hello world, the age is 20 and today is good day. So this is how you have to create a Python program in a PyCharm IDE, and by default you'll be getting a dark theme. If you want to change the dark theme to light theme, you have to go to file, settings, and here you can see theme. So by default the Darkula is a dark theme. If you want a light theme, you can select Intel J light and you can give apply and give OK also. So now you'll be getting a light color theme. So if you want to switch back to the previous theme, you again go to the settings and select Darkula and give OK. So now you'll be coming to the previous theme. So this is about how to install Python software and PyCharm IDE for developing a Python programs. Thank you.